Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about skip sequence. Here in our last video we have actually print student ID, name and CGPA, right, through the new line. So here you can see we have to use print ln, right? But let's say I want to print all of them in the same line, but they should show in a new line. How can I do this? And that time actually I need to take help from skip sequence. So let's do this. First of all, I want to show this in here. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to say here backslash n. So this is for the new line, and here I will say student name is equal to Yamin. So if I say here space, I mean if I give here any space, it will actually take space. Okay, let me give here space so that I can show you what happened. So I don't need this line now. Okay, and then now this line, so I will cut it from here and I will go here and I will say backslash n. Okay, and then paste it here, give some space, no problem. Remove it. So now I want to run the code, so I will go here and I will say java run. Okay, run java, sorry. Here you can see in the terminal we have student ID, we have name and CGPA, but you can see that here we have a little space, right? This is because we have use here space, right? So we cannot actually use here space if we don't want to actually show here space. So run java once again, and here you can see there is no space like before. All right, but let's say I don't want to show them in a new line, I want to show them in the same line, so I will say print, but I want to show them through space. Okay, I'm going to use here print ln, let's say, because I want to actually copy this for multiple times. Okay, so now actually I don't want to show them in a new line, I want to show them in the same line but with space, so I can actually use tab. So how to use tab? You just have to give backslash t. All right, and here also backslash t. Let's go and check how it's look like. Run java, and here you can see they are in a new line. If I delete all of them and once again I will run them, here you can see the output. So student ID, student name and CGPA. I will write here print ln and press tab, it will actually create like this. Now let's say I want to copy all of them, going to paste it here. And here I will say student ID, let's say 102, student name, let's say Tanvir, and CGPA, let's say 3.21. Now if I run the code once again, and here you can see these are the output, right? Now let's say I want to show student ID inside a double quotation. So how can I do this? So to use double quotation, you have to say backslash double quotation. Okay, and then here also backslash double quotation. So now this student ID will show within double quotation. So let me run it for all of them. Okay, now go and run it once again, and here you can see they are in double quotation, right? Okay, so we have to give here one more backslash. So here, okay, let's run it once again, and here you can see the output, they are in a single quotation, right? So these are called skip sequence. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.